In this video, I'm going to show you how to void a check in QuickBooks Desktop. So there's actually two ways to do this. I'm going to show you both. The first one is to open the check you wish to void. So I'm just going to go to banking up here and I'm going to click on write checks. And from here, top left, you can then find your check you want to void. So for example, I'm going to go back and let's say this one over here is the one we want to void. So to do this, you simply want to click on where it says delete up top over here. So just click on this delete button and then from here it says void. Okay, so we can click on void over here, and there we go. When you click on save and close, you've successfully avoided this check inside the QuickBooks Desktop. The second way is using the bank register. So you want to go to banking, you want to click on use register, select your account, and click on OK. Okay, so whenever you're in here, what you want to do to actually avoid one is just find the one you want to void. For example, this one, right click it and click on void paycheck. Now it's going to get void. I can click on record over here, click on yes, and that's going to save the changes. Okay, now those are the two ways. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.